Developing in Washington, D.C., where President Biden signed a bill today which now gives TikTok's Chinese parent company an ultimatum: sell the app or be banned here in the U.S. Now, ABC 15 political reporter Ben Brown is following up with TikTok users to hear their concerns, and he's hearing from experts to dive into the national security concerns as well.
The clock is ticking on TikTok. President Joe Biden signed today the $95 billion national security package for Israel, Ukraine, and other U.S. allies, but tucked within the bill is a provision that could ban TikTok. The social media giant has about 9 months to sell its Chinese-based parent company, ByteDance, with an additional 3-month grace period potentially, or face a ban in the U.S.
We have over 625,000 followers right now, and if Wildjoy is no longer able to make brand opportunities for ourselves, over half of our revenue that we've been building for the last 5 years will be lost.
TikTok users reacting to the news Wednesday that the social media giant could very well be gone within a year.
This is my reaction. It just sucks. It really does.
We told you about Lacey Kane last month. She founded Wildjoy in 2019, using TikTok to empower people to find unique local experiences.
The good news is that I'm incredibly scrappy, and I will build and keep Wildjoy around for years to come.
Jason Hyder, who relied on TikTok to build his business selling bucket list travel maps, is also pivoting and focusing on using other platforms.
I'm breathing like we're okay. Everything's going to be fine. We've got the website, we've got other apps and shops and stuff. So
critics of the app worry the Chinese government is using it to gather data from American citizens and could be a national security risk.
Republicans and Democrats are worried about Chinese influence over American social media habits.
But experts we talked to said national security and privacy concerns aren't exclusive to TikTok.
Data privacy, foreign interference through propaganda, and any kind of threat to young people is something that we see with Meta, with Alphabet, which is YouTube's parent company, with Twitter/X.
While they don't expect TikTok to sell because its algorithm is so unique, they do expect the company to challenge this law in court.
You could see a legal challenge from TikTok. You could see a legal challenge from American users of TikTok.
And in the meantime, TikTok users like Eats by Mike will keep pushing forward.
Whether TikTok stays or goes, I know it'll affect the bottom dollar, so to speak, in the short term, but in the long run, I think another app will always pick up and take up its place.
Ben Brown, ABC 15, Arizona.